Presenting the Godrej Advantis lock 4101. It's a biometric rim lock. Now let's see the unboxing of this particular model. So as you can see, this is the Advantis biometric lock. Once you open the box, you can see three different parts. This is the outdoor panel which comes outside the door, and this is the locking mechanism which will come inside the door, and they have given batteries along with it. These 4 cells can be put inside the indoor unit. So these are the 2 units. Now this is the fingerprint reader. You can store up to 100 fingerprints inside this. After storing, you can use it to open the lock. And the same unit contains a keypad which will be visible once you put the battery. So using this also you can open the lock. 4 different pin codes can be added, and using that the lock can be opened. Even there is a provision of opening this lock using a spy code, so that if somebody is standing besides you, if you put the spy code and then put the pin, then they can't find out the actual pin. So it is a way of distracting them. This gives a low battery indication, and in the case the battery completely drains, there is a provision given at the bottom of the lock. Using a 9-volt battery, you can just jump start the lock and open the lock. So this is the place where you place the 9-volt battery. So once you place it, the battery will be powered for some time, and then you can open it. Then going inside, you can put the batteries and start operating the lock as usual. This is the inside unit. So a button has been provided. Pushing that also you can open and close the lock, or using this knob also you can open and close the lock. Another important feature is, once you push the door and it locks, automatically this will come outside and the door will get locked. If the battery is low, then it will give a low battery indicator. Also this has got volume controls, multi-level volume control. So when you press the keypad, you can adjust the volume. If you want a loud, you can keep it loud, or if you can want to reduce the volume, it can be reduced. So this is how this Godrej Advantis 4101 looks. So you have seen the unboxing video. If you have any doubts, you can always contact us. We can explain in detail. So we will also show you how it looks after installing the lock. Once the lock is put and powered on, this is how it looks. As you can see, the fingerprint reader comes outside. You can also use the pins to open the lock. This is the inside portion of the lock. So you can see how, using that knob, you can control the opening and closing of the lock from inside.